Once installed, the unit worked just like it did for the last several years. I did install it with the water in the tub. I found that using a 1/4 in dowel about 14 inches long greatly aided in lining up the new part. You simply place the dowel through the new part and into the place where you need to screw it in. Without the dowel, you just have to be lucky in seeing what you are doing. Moto Massage stopped moving. The tubing inside the plastic skeleton gets stiff with age, which keeps the jet from moving up and down. Replacing this assembly is quick and easy. No need to drain the spa. The new unit works just like new. We replaced the single jet assembly for our 20-year-old hot spring spa. Thank goodness this part fit perfectly, since we're still using our spa regularly. The first part lasted 20 years, so we have great hopes for this one. Great product. I love my hot springs hot tub spa. Without these Moto Massage jets, I would still really like my hot tub about an 8+ out of 10, but the Moto Massage jets make it a 10+. If your jets have stopped working, you are borderline angry, because the effect of the jets on an achy over 55 body is like good sex or air conditioning. Once you've had it, there is no going back. Pust. If you can read, use a Phillips screwdriver, and follow all of the short written directions, you should easily be successful at installing these jets yourself. If all else fails, find your handyman first cousin or neighbor and reward him or with a case of his favorite brew or a couple of bottles of a good cab, Pinot, or a $50 plus Amazon gift card. I paid about $350 to have the local spa mechanic remove and install one replacement jet 3 or 4 years ago, which took him an entire 15 minutes. As he drove off, smiling of course, I took a deep breath and said to myself, okay, it will take me 25 minutes plus the cost of the jets. Yes, the Watkins Moto Massage jet hardware, IMHO, is definitely way overpriced, but, like I said, you just gotta have it. We were going to hire a repairman to come fix it, but decided to look it up on YouTube. Was able to get this item shipped next day. It was very easy to install. We were enjoying the jet the very next day. So far, it's held up. I've read that these have a lifetime of a couple of years, which for the motion it doesn't make sense. I'm glad we know how to fix it now. The OEM part on my discontinued hot tub broke a while back, and a spa tech who came out to fix a leak issue mentioned it was easy to replace. Found this on Amazon and got it really quickly. It was super easy to install and works like the original part. I have an old 2004 Hot Springs jet setter tub that the Moto Massage unit wore out on a few years ago. I'd looked for a replacement several times, but couldn't find it anywhere. I expected to find that this didn't fit or some other reason why it wouldn't work, but it is the perfect replacement part. I can now enjoy the heaven that is the Moto Massage function on my hot tub. Works great in our hot tub, shipped to us quickly. Good replacement part for something that needs to be redesigned. Click on the link below to see price.